Hello, Livingston CP kids. Welcome back from break. And today today's lesson is going to be of Mice and Men Weekly Writing number 3. So if you look in your CP4 or CP5 or CP6, as it were, folder in Mice and Men, go down, you're going to see Oh Ma'am Weekly Writing number 3. That's this. That is going to be your assignment for today. So remember, you're going to take the prompt from your anticipation guide, right? It's going to be one of these 6 questions or 6 statements that you're going to use that as your prompt, and then you're going to take today's class to write a paragraph, one paragraph that has a topic sentence, 1-2 sentences of context, evidence, an embedded quotation, nice level 3 embed would be nice, a little analysis about that, and then do it all over again. Context for something else, evidence, analysis, and then a concluding sentence. So one single paragraph based on one of those 6 questions in the anticipation guide. This is Mice and Men Weekly Writing number 3. When you're done, you are going to go back to Schoology and you're going to turn it in. I'm going to have a form there where you can turn it in, and then you're done with the lesson, and you can fill out the exit ticket and you can go. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.